Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to another episode of Understanding the Quranic Verbs. As you know, I teach my students online, and I have taken this video from one of those classes to help share with you guys. And we will be dealing with Arabic present tense, fi'l al-mudari. And in order to understand it clearly, we will be diving directly into the Quranic verses and will be using them as our guide to understand the usage of the present tense. We'll also have some interactive QA with my students. So please, I hope and I pray that you're enjoying this content and you will watch till the end and help support my channel, and you will like and share and give me a feedback so that I can improve my channel for you guys. Alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is putting blessings in this, and lot of more people are attending and joining the channel. So without any further delay, let's dive into the lesson. Jazakallah
أما
khair.
بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى إن هدى الله هو الهدى وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن علمه صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اللهم ارحمني بالقرآن العظيم واجعله لي إماما ونورا وهدى ورحمة واجعله لي حجة يا رب. This is Surah Al-Baqarah. Yeah, we read it all the time. Alhamdulillah. Now look at الذين أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم الذين يؤمنون. What is يؤمنون?
You believe. You all believe.
They all
So,
yeah.
first of all, is it the ya? You see the ya here?
Yeah.
Yes.
And is yu'minuna fi'l mudari?
Muzare.
Yes.
Alamat mudari was ya. As soon as I know that ya, where is it supposed to be? In the beginning.
Yes.
And it is supposed to be third person.
Yes.
And
They
una sound
believe.
mean plural.
Plural.
So look what I'm trying to teach you here. What I'm trying to your mind to program is this. I saw the alamat mudari ya. First thing got into my mind is fi'l mudari. Agree?
Yeah.
Meaning I will either translate into present or future or present continuous. Agree?
Yes.
Right. Yes.
Second thing, una sound is plural more than two. It's not dual. Yeah.
Correct.
And it is male or female?
Male.
Male. So
All.
yu'minuna. So what is the meaning of yu'minuna? And what is allazina? Allazina is those who. Yu'minuna, people believe. Now when you say yu'minuna, does that also include females?
Yes.
In this
Yes.
sentence,
Yes.
we can imagine that it's not only for male, it's all anybody
All,
who believes,
yes.
right?
Yes.
And then the
No,
male will be the dominant one. The male, the status will be the dominant one, right?
Yes.
So yu'minuna is those who believe, right?
Including male, female.
Bil ghaib, the unseen. Now look at the yuqimuna. What is yuqimuna?
Though
Qiyam.
Ikama, right?
Ikama. Yeah.
Right? So again, do you see the alamat mudari ya?
Yes.
Yeah.
Fi'l
Yuqimuna.
mudari. Fi'l mudari.
Yes.
Una sound, jama.
Those
Yes.
Yes.
establish and those establish.
Yes. And so those who believe in the unseen and establish. Now look at this. What is yunfikun? Is it fi'l mudari?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So at
And
this
it
point,
is
they are all present tense, right?
Right
Present or
here,
future?
yes, they spend, right?
Future, right?
So yunfikuna, we look at the translation. Those who believe in the unseen, those who establish the salah, and out of what we have provided them, razaqnahum. Is razaqnahum madi?
Yes.
Yes.
Razaqnahum. It
Yes.
has the fail file and the maf'ul.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yunfikuna mudare. Okay, look at this. Yuqinun. What is yuqinun? Is it fi'l mudare?
Yes.
Fi'l mudari, yes.
Okay, so inshallah, this is what I want you to start paying attention. Now, there is one tool I mentioned in the very beginning, but then we never looked at it again. Now, this tool will start to make sense now. So what I have here, if I go back, and you all have this information. So if I want to look at yunfikuna, yeah, look at this. This is what we just looked at, right?
Yeah.
Surah Al-Baqarah. If I say yunfikuna, when I click on it, it is going to give me the different patterns. Okay. So, and I only want you to focus on the first and the second one because we haven't done the other ones yet. Okay. So what is this word? Yunfikuna is basically the root letters are noon, fa, and qaf. Yes.
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 The reason we is calling it yunfikuna because it's fi'l mudare. Why? Because alamat mudare is here. Yes. Yes. Now here, one more thing. I'm going to go into the options and I'm going to change the language to English. Okay. So do you see what happened now? So we know that the pattern is aslama yuslimu. And we don't want to bother about it right now, but I'm just giving you for the sake of telling you what this pattern is. It is jama. It is plural. Is it plural?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
because
Yes.
yunfikuna is more than two.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sound. Is it male, muzakkar?
Yes.
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 Is it also third person? Is it like the third person?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So if you follow this pattern, aslama yuslimu, then the word will be in Madi will be anfaka and mudare will be yunfi. Agree?
Yeah.
Okay. If you follow the nasara yansuru pattern, and we're gonna learn about these, then it will be nafaka yanfuku.
Yanfuku.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So this tool, next time when you want to analyze the Madi and the Mudare, you come to this link, you take the word you want to learn, and then you click on it, and then it will tell you what patterns it follows. We don't know aslama yuslimu yet, but do we know fataha yaftahu?
Yes.
Do we know fataha yaftahu?
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, please, everybody. So what are the root letters? Ya, qaf, noon.
Noon.
What did we learn day one? That every verb and every noun in Arabic language is made up of three root letters.
Root letters. Yeah.
And they have a pattern to follow. And the pattern, the default pattern we learned was fa'ala.
Fa'ala.
Okay. Now we are getting into yaf'alu. And then we will learn
Yaf'alu.
what is all this mean, fataha, yaftahu, how do we learn all these things? This is coming after the break, inshallah. So
Inshallah.
if you follow the fataha pattern, that will become yakana,
Yakana.
yaykanu, and that will be the mudare. If you follow the daraba yadribu pattern, that will become yakana, yaykinu. Okay. Inshallah, there is istaf'al also. So these are all the beautiful things about Arabic language. Once you grow into this advanced user or advanced learner, your vocabulary will go from a very few words to hundreds of words from the Quran. Okay. So look at this. A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Wa yaf'alu. Have we looked at yaf'alu?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the meaning of yaf'alu? He does.
He does.
Yes.
He will do.
He will do.
Does.
He will do,
He's
right?
doing.
Or
He
he
will.
does, right? He's doing, he will do, he does. But after the yaf'alu, is Allah there?
Allah. Yes.
Is Allah Rafa here?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
So who's the file? Allah.
Allah.
Is it outside or inside?
The word Allah.
Outside.
Outside.
Outside. So we cannot say he does. We will say Allah does.
Allah does. Yes.
You see that? What happened here? وَيَفْعَلُ اللَّهُ مَا يَشَاءُ.
Who?
What he wills.
Okay.
What is the meaning of ma? What?
What?
What
Right, and
he desires.
Yasha is Yasha, same thing as Yafalu, something similar, like there is a Ya there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
so he
yes.
wills.
Yeah.
Right. So wa yaf'alullahu ma yasha, and Allah does what He wills. Got it?
Yes.
So this is fi'l mudari right here. And you can see the other rules apply, that inside, outside, file, maful, those rules are still the same as from Madi. Yeah.
Yes.
So look at this one. Allazina yufuna bi ahdillahi wa la yanquduna al-misaq. Those who fulfill the agreement with Allah and do not break the pledge. What is yanquduna? To break. Is it mudari?
Yes.
Yes.
Yanquduna, yeah.
Plural?
Yes.
Yes.
So we say do not break. Did not say did not break. It's the Madi, is the future or the present. So this is in
Present. Yeah.
present. Okay. Yalbasuna. Have we looked at this word in the Quran most of the time when we talk about Jannah?
Yes.
Yalbasuna.
Labasa.
Libas. Libas mean
Libas.
kapde. The libas
Yeah.
mean your clothing. Yalbasuna, dressed, that they will be dressed. Is it future or is it present?
This is probably
Future.
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 That inshallah they will be given those clothes in Jannah made of silk and they will be facing each other. Yeah. So what is the alamat mudare? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the una sound gives us the plural
Plural.
meaning.
Plural.
Third person plural. Fele
Yes.
mudare. So this one word or one this is a jumla fe'liya by itself. You know.
Yeah.
What is the file here?
It's hidden.
Whom?
Home. Mashallah. Who said home?
Me, Lubna.
Mashallah. Okay, so you see this word itself is a jumla fe'liya. It has the file and the verb in it, right? Okay. Wa Dawuda wa Sulaymana. How many people we are talking about?
Two.
That's why we have is Yahkumani.
Yakumani.
Yeah, you see the Kumani sound, the mean two people.
Yes.
Fil harsi is nafashat fihi ghanamu. And Dawood and Suleiman, when they both give judgment, Yahkumani, hukum. When you say hukum dena kisi ko, Urdu mein kehte hain hukum. Meaning they both give judgment concerning the field when the people's sheep pastured therein by night. Wala yahillu lahunna. If you see lahunna, are we talking about female?
Yes.
Okay. Ain yaktumna. Yaktumna mean to hide. Now who hide? They hide. Who? Men or women?
Both.
Men.
Because, and it is not lawful for them to hide that which Allah has created in their wombs. Meaning the women should not hide their pregnancy if they go through a divorce, and they should not hide from their husband that if they are pregnant. So wala yahillu lahunna an yaktumna ma khalaqallahu fi arhamihin. What is arhamihin? In their wombs.
In their wombs.
Created. Allah. You see? So I hope that now you can read this verse and maybe understand most of it. Yeah?
Yes.
Wala tasfikuna. What is ta? Is it alamat mudari?
Yes.
Yes.
The second
Second
person.
person. Second person.
Una sound is plural.
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 La tasfikuna. You all do not.
Yeah.
What? Tasfikuna is shed blood. Where is the blood coming from? Dima'ukum. Dima'akum. Wala tukhrijuna anfusakum min diyarikum. Where is this verse from? Surah Al-Baqarah, talking to Bani Israel that you should not shed blood, do not shed blood, and do not expel them from their houses. Who understand tukhrijuna? You see the ta here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Courage.
You drive out. Tukhrijuna. Is it tukhrijuna? What is the madi will be? Kharaja.
You all.
Kharaja.
Kharaja. Yeah.
Kharaju, basically.
Kharaju.
Because
Yeah.
Kharaju is the third person plural, right? Tukhrijuna is the plural for male, third person, second person. So it will be
Maria, my class.
Yeah. Your people.
Qala inni alamu. Is alamu like afalu?
Yeah, alamu.
Brother Murad, I think there is a lot of background noise from you.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so alamu is like afalu.
Yeah, alamu ilm.
Allah
I
Subhanahu wa Ta'ala
know.
said, I know ma la talamun. Is talamun second person?
Yes.
You all do not know. I know that which you all do not know. Who Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala said this to? To the angels.
To the angel.
Suratul Baqarah.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Asabnahum bi zunubihim wa natba'u. So what is natba'u? Is it like naf'alu?
Yes.
Yes.
Alamat mudare noon. And
Yeah.
natba'u meaning is that they would not be able to hear. No, not this. Bi zunubihim. Set a seal on their hearts. Ala kulubihim fahum la yasmaun. Is yasmaun also fi'l mudari?
Yes.
Tere mazare.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good. So that means that's third person plural. Okay. Fabasallahu ghuraban yabhasu fil ard. What is yabhasu? Is it fi'l mudari?
Yes.
Tere mazare.
That's also from Suratul Baqarah? No, this is from Suratul Ma'idah, I guess, number 5. So when the story of the Habil and Kabil, when he killed him and he didn't know what to do with the body, and Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala sent a crow who scratched the surface to show him how to dig and put the grave in the body in the grave, in the graveyard. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Zalika bi annahum kanu yakfuruna. How many times have you seen this word yakfuruna?
Yeah.
Many.
times.
Many times. Now you know that it is fi'l mudari. What person? Third person.
Third
Is
Third person.
plural?
plural.
Okay. Wa yaktuluna. What is yaktuluna? Is it fi'l mudari?
Tere mazare.
Yes.
Third person.
Plural? Third person?
Yes.
So you see how often these mudaris are used in the Quran, like every other verse has one or two of them. Yeah?
Brother Abid, what is
Yes.
Mudare again? Mudare and Madi?
Mudari is the present and the future.
Oh, okay.
Remember we did Madi for all these 7 sessions and
So Mudari was past tense?
future, present and future.
And future.
I mean, sorry. Madi was past tense and Mudari is
Madi was past tense, yes.
Okay, got it.
Mudare is present and future.
Okay.
Mhm. You remember this one? Sayakulu sufaha'u minan nas. The foolish among the people will say, Sayakulu. Okay? Kalla sawfa ta'lamun. Now, when you see the seen and the sawfa, that means we're talking about for future. Sister Homa,
Yeah. Okay.
you're asking me? So when you see the seen and the sawfa, that is also mean they're talking about future.
Thank you very much for explaining. Sorry that I'm asking the question before you.
Oh, no, these questions are very important. I'm never finding anything disturbing because this is very important. And that tells me that you are thinking while you're learning. So, which is very good. So keep up the good work. And it also benefits other people when you ask a question and when I explain, it
Yeah.
benefits everyone. Alhamdulillah.